Hey there everyone. Today I wanted to quickly touch on a topic that a good number of you might have on your mind right now: roof insurance. Right now, several homeowners are having issues with roofs and insurability, and I've been running into inspections where homes don't have up-to-date decking underneath. An inspector told me that if the roof was replaced by an insurance claim, the replacement of the decking to meet modern building standards may not be covered by insurance, so I wanted to look into that. Because that could cost a homeowner thousands of extra dollars that you weren't expecting to spend, thinking you had adequate coverage. So I reached out to my friend and insurance agent, David Stevens with Farmers Insurance, to learn more, and he said your clients need to make sure they get building ordinance coverage as opposed to extended dwelling coverage. But in the event that a roof is damaged and needs to be replaced, the decking underneath would also be covered with building ordinance coverage. According to David, it's not that expensive and it's available on most policies. So if you aren't sure whether or not your roof decking is current, you may need to switch your coverage up a little bit. Of course, every situation is different, so be sure to call your insurance agent before you make any changes, but having building ordinance coverage could really come in handy as a homeowner. If you have any additional questions for me about this topic or about anything else related to real estate, feel free to reach out to me at 405-887-3007. I look forward to hearing from you, and also I am gearing up for my holiday pie giveaway, so if you're not registered for your free holiday pie, shoot me an email or a text with your email address so I can add you to the list. Okay, thank you so much. Call me if you need anything.